Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Logic Medico. Today's interesting topic is card test. So what is this card test? Take an ATM card or any card, visiting card or any card available with you and place it between the fingers like this and try to pull it out. When you are trying to pull it out, ask the patient to hold as tight as possible and try to pull it out. So when you are trying to pull it out, if it is not coming, then the person's palmar interosseae are working. So what are the palmar interosseae? The first palmar interosseae is a unipinnate muscle beginning from first metacarpal, causes adduction of the thumb. So this one, first palmar interosseae. Second palmar interosseae begins from the inner side of the or the medial side of the second metacarpal, gets attached to the proximal phalanx of the second digit. So this is a card test for the second digit or the index finger. Next, third palmar interosseae is attached to the lateral side of the fourth metacarpal, and it is attached to the lateral side of the proximal phalanx of the fourth finger or the index finger. So that is a card test for the index finger. The fourth palmar interosseae begins from the lateral side of fifth metacarpal, gets attached to the lateral side of proximal phalanx of fifth digit or the little finger. So this is an adduction test for palmar interosseae. Why there is no palmar interosseae beginning from the third metacarpal? Neither it is attached to on either side of the proximal phalanx of middle finger. So the simplest example is because already the middle finger is in the midline. The palm, the adduction is a movement towards midline like this. This is adduction. Abduction is movement away from midline. So this is abduction for the middle finger, either like this or like this. So in the palm, when already the middle finger is adducted, because it is there in the imaginary line, there is no need of any palmar interosseae to come to the middle finger. So first palmar interosseae adducts the thumb. The second palmar interosseae adducts the index finger. The third palmar interosseae adducts the ring finger. Fourth palmar interosseae adducts the little finger. There is no requirement of adduction of middle finger because already it is adducted or already it is present in the midline. So the card test is a test done for testing the adduction of the fingers. Okay, it is palmar interosseae testing. First palmar interosseae, second palmar interosseae of the index finger, third palmar interosseae for the ring finger, fourth palmar interosseae for the little finger. First palmar interosseae is for the thumb. So these palmar interosseae muscles are the muscles placed between the metacarpal bones. So these interosseae muscles are placed closer to the palmar aspect, therefore they are called as palmar interosseae. They are unipinnate muscles. They appear like a palm tree. So the card test is used to test the palmar interosseae. Now all the muscles of the hand except the thumb muscle and the first and second lumbrical, except these muscles, are supplied by ulnar nerve, including this palmar interosseae. So the palmar interosseae we are indirectly testing the ulnar nerve. Imagine there is a problem in the ulnar nerve. Imagine the person has got some defect in the ulnar nerve and they have some defect like this, that's called claw hand. It may not be obvious. It may be tardive ulnar nerve palsy, slowly developing ulnar nerve palsy. That time we do the card test, ask the patient to hold this and try, as tight as possible, and try to pull it out. When you are trying to pull it out, it will come off very easily. Either the person is not able to hold as tight as possible, it will fall off easily, or he is able to hold with minimal power, and when you are trying to pull out, it will come out like this. It comes out very easily. That means to say he has got weakness of the palmar interosseae muscle. Based on which palmar interosseae which finger we can easily tell which palmar interosseae. If there is weakness here, that's first palmar interosseae. Weakness here, second palmar interosseae. Weakness here, third palmar interosseae. Weakness here, fourth palmar interosseae. So the card test is a test done to determine the weakness of palmar interosseae or the damage to the ulnar nerve. Okay, that is the importance of card test. Hopefully this has enlightened you for the card test of the hand. It's a test done for ulnar nerve to test the palmar interosseae adduction ability. Thank you for watching and learning from Logic Medico. If you are new to our channel, kindly consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press the like button. thumbs up button and bell button to get the latest notification of video. Thank you once again.